Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will see addition and subtraction of mixed fraction and focus on very important concept as well, which is noticed mostly students don't understand. So before I start, here is the QR code of Key Stage 3 and 4 videos. For Key Stage 3 students, the videos of Key Stage 4 are also very important. There are many videos which are of the level of class 7 and 8. The reason is in Key Stage 4, there are two papers. One paper is the paper one is easy. So you will find the videos there which are useful for your level. So let's see here addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Need to understand the concept here. Suppose I write here fraction 3 whole 1 over 3. What does this mean actually? It means 3 plus 1 over 3. So how do you solve or change this mixed fraction into improper fraction? You multiply 3 times 3 and then you add this number which is here. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is how you change your mixed number into improper fraction. See in the other form which I have written here. When there is no denominator, it is 1. So when we are adding fraction, the denominators need to be same. We have seen that in the previous videos. Link is given in the description below. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 over 3. Denominators are same. So you can add the numerators. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you got the same answer. So now I will solve this question, one by this method and one by this method. Right? These two questions I will solve by these two methods. And if you will have a very clear concept of this will really make your life easy. It will keep the numbers small. But whatever you like or you understand better, try by that method. There is no fixed rule, right? So you are comfortable by one method, you do by that method. So let's see here. 8 whole 5 over 6 minus 3 whole 1 over 3. Now 6 times is it 48. 48 plus 5 is what? 53. So it will become 53 over 6. And this one will become 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And now you will make the denominator same. This is an easy case because 6 is a multiple of 3. So I just need to multiply 3 by 2 and 10 by 2. In this way I will get the denominator same. So it will be 53 divided by 6 minus 20 divided by 6. Right? Now denominator is same. So you can subtract the numerators. So 53 minus 20 is what? 33. Now you can simplify it because they both are multiple of 3. So I can cancel here by the table of 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 11s are 33. Still it is of course it will remain improper fraction. So I need to change this into mixed number. So you got here 5 whole 1 upon 2. So mixed fractions need to be given answer in the mixed fraction. Now let's do the same question by the other method. Okay. Or why not I do this? Okay, fine. Let me do it here so that you have a clear concept. So it was 8 5 over 6 minus 3 1 over 3. So I can do 8 plus 5 over 6 minus. Now I need to put bracket here because there is minus and 3 1 over 3 means 3 plus 1 over 3. When you remove the bracket, it will change to minus 1 over 3. Now these two integers you can subtract. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. And the remaining fractions will remain there. Keep 5 as it is. Do not touch it. Let's solve this fraction. So I can change the denominator into 6 and it will become same. Yes or no? So it will be 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. No problem? Then it will be denominator is same. So it is 3 upon 6. Right? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. I got 5 plus 1 over 2, which means 5 whole 1 over 2. The only advantage in this type of solution is that one does not go into big numbers where mistakes happen, whereas in this case you need to have a strong multiplication in terms of big numbers as well. That's all. So now second question I'm solving here. Let me move it to other side. Oops, just a minute. Okay, so now I will solve the other question. And that I will solve by one method only. Okay, so mostly students follow the first method, so I'm just doing it by that method faster. So 1 whole 2 over 5 plus 2 whole 1 over 2. So I will multiply 5 by 1. In this case 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. 7 over 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 2. Again denominator is not same, so I have to take LCM so that I can have a common denominator. Achha, by the way, 5 and 2 both are prime numbers, so I don't need to do LCM directly. I can do multiply this by 2 and multiply that by 5, because in case of prime number it is the same thing. So let's not do LCM here directly, let's do it. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. Denominator is same. I can add the numerator. So what it will be? 35, 39. So it is, let me write here, it is 39 upon 10. So now if you can do it mentally, fine. If you cannot, you do the division here. 10 3s are 30. So you get here 3 whole 9 over 10. So I hope you understood it. In the next video, we will see the multiplication and division of fractions. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button.